Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to initiate call. Please try again later on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and whenever you want to try to make a call on your WhatsApp app, but you're facing the issue that you're unable to initiate call, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it might be your network issue. So not to fix that, you have to fix your network issues. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back and here go for software updates, and you have to try to make a software update here. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software, then go back, go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage to run all of your app as well. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, you have to open your app store, simply search for WhatsApp, and you have to make an update in your WhatsApp app. So open WhatsApp Messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here. If you find any pending update, you have to try to update your WhatsApp app. And after updating, if you are still facing the same issues, open settings here, go for general and go for iPhone storage, go for WhatsApp app here, and you have to try to offload your WhatsApp app. Or you can also try to delete your WhatsApp app usage or WhatsApp app. Here you'll find the offload app. I just offloaded my app, so you have to tap on offload app, then tap on reinstall app after offloading. And once you have reinstalled app, it will fix all the bugs and issues with your WhatsApp app. And after that, you will not get the issue again, and you will be able to initiate calls in your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.